Hi everyone! I thought I would just do this quick video just to prove to you guys that I am committed to keeping this YouTube channel up and running, and I will link to the video that I've just done. I've filmed two today, so the other one is on the reasons why I've been absent for a little bit, but also on what I'm planning to do with this channel, which really I don't know yet. I'm hoping you guys might have some suggestions for me, but I do really want to keep this channel going, and so I thought, what's something really fun and light-hearted but also fits in with the theme of what I'm trying to achieve this year, which is decluttering my home. So let's start with something really cool and close to our hearts, which is a weekly makeup box. So I haven't done one of these for a while. I get a lot of requests to do them. They are a lot of fun, and basically all I do is pull out of my stash some of the makeup items that I'm going to concentrate on using for a week, and then I'll make a decision as to whether I'm going to keep it, whether it's a bit used, because a lot of my stuff is quite old now, if it doesn't suit me anymore, that sort of stuff. So let's dive into my box and see what I've got. So starting off with foundation, I am currently still using the Matte Wear foundation. I'm using Ivory 5, which is more of my winter colour, so just to deepen it up a little bit, because it is summer here in New Zealand and I've got a little bit of a fake / natural tan going on there. I found this, which was the Liquid Illuminator, so I know you can't get these anymore. I don't even know if this is still usable. It smells alright. So this is in shade 2. So I know that just by mixing a little bit of that into my foundation, it just helps to bronze it up a little bit. So hopefully that works. As usual, always have my eye primer. You guys know I cannot live without that stuff. I've got a couple of new products here, or newish to me, not new to Mary Kay. I've got the Under Eye Corrector. I really like this. It's a brightening corrector, but what I like most about it is actually the wand. It just makes application really easy, so really like that for all of my dark circles, which I never used to have, but now apparently I do. And then I've also got the new brow tint. What do you guys think of this product? Do you have it? I am really loving it. Once again, I love the little applicator. Just makes all the difference in applying the product, and it doesn't make your eyebrows crunchy or anything, so I've got that one. Then I have got, for bronzer, this is an oldie but a goodie. This is the Chiffon Sheer Dimensions Powder. Do you remember these? These are really old. I've actually hit pan on mine, so it's looking a bit old and grotty, but it's still hanging in there, and I really love this bronzer. It's just a nice shade on me. For blush, I've got the Juicy Guava, which is this one. I just love this colour. This just really helps brighten the cheeks. It's a bit scary when you first put it on, but you just blend it out and it just looks beautiful. I always get comments when I wear that one. And then for eyes, I've treated myself to one of the new little eyeshadow palettes. I love these things, they're so cute. So I've got these ones. Sorry, I can't tell you what colours I've got. I'll try and list them below because I have to pull them out to find out. But yeah, really love those colours. The rosy gold colours are all the trend at the moment. For mascara, of course, Ultimate Black. It's my all-time favourite. I go back to it every time. And then for eyeliner, I've got this new gel. It's probably not new if you're in America, but in New Zealand it's quite new to us. It's in the Espresso Ink colour, which is the brown. I've only just started using it, and so far I'm really liking it. It's just a little bit softer than black, so really enjoying that. I've got the oil mattifier, which is nearly all gone, so I'll be using that up. And once I've used that up, I think I'll go back to the primer. Really like that one. And then for lips, I am using up, I've got the lip crayon in Coral Stone. Do you remember these ones? These are really old. It's a bright coral orange. It's actually what I'm wearing today, so yeah, I want to try and keep using up some of those. I just don't wear lip liner much anymore, so I really want to try and either use them up if I can, or if they've a bit dried out and old, then I want to get rid of them. But I'm lucky, I don't have a problem with bleeding lips or anything like that, probably because I tend to wear lipstick more than lip gloss these days. So yeah, so I wanted to use that up, and I put it on today, and I'm actually really quite liking it. So already I've fallen in love with one of my products again. So I think that's pretty much it, unless I've missed anything. That's what I'm going to be focusing on this week. So hope you enjoy this quick little mini video, and yeah, leave in the comments below what's one product you're trying to use up at the moment. Is it a Mary Kay one? Is it another brand? Don't mind if it is, but yeah, what's your intentions, your makeup goals for this year? Would really love to know. So until next time, I will see you again soon. Thanks guys, bye.